Hey, what's up everybody? Tyler Grant here over at Gary Yeoman's Ford. We are proud sponsors of Mosaic, a community here in Daytona Beach. We are showcasing two vehicles at this event. We have the Ford Mustang Mach-E and we have the Ford Lightning. Really awesome vehicles, all electric. We also have in the back here a band playing tonight, live music, having some fun. We have some margaritas and just having a good time over here at Mosaic. Come out to Gary Yeoman's anytime, come see me. Again, my name is Tyler Grant over at Gary Yeoman's Ford. Hope y'all have a great night.
It's Caroline, your Mosaic Lifestyle Director, right here on the event lawn at Club Mosaic, making it so easy to love where you live with amazing partners like Gary Yeoman's Ford. They are our Fun Zone, Fun Friday sponsor, this amazing kids zone. The families are out here, we're doing test drives and margaritas. Just a fun summer night here at Club Mosaic. Again, loving where we live with our local partners at Gary Yeoman's Ford. Gotta go to Yeoman's!